I have a solution for stained cork coasters. Do you have cork coasters? I love them, but they get these nasty stains on there. So I thought, let's make them better. Years ago, I made these really easy coasters, and they are an octopus stamp stamped onto just stone tiles that you would buy at like any home improvement store. And then I just put like little silicone pads on the back. Really, really easy coaster. But I like this design. I also have a bunch of cork coasters that have been around for a while, and after a while cork coasters get kind of dirty and grungy looking, but they still work. So my thought is, can I put this onto a cork coaster, but I don't want to stamp it, I want to engrave it. So let's see if we can do that. I have my ink pad and I'm just inking up the stamp with a nice strong black color. And I have several sheets of paper just stacked up because that gives me a little cushion for when I stamp. I'm going to take a picture of this with my phone and then I'm going to transfer it right into my computer. Once I get the octopus image into my computer, I add it to the xTool Creative Space program. Then I click onto the edit image, click on the little magic wand, and I'm able to remove the background. It's not necessary to remove the white space, but it allows you to see the exact placement because the M1 machine has a camera that allows you to see exactly what you're doing. So then I just size it and move it into its place right on the coaster, and I can see it. I do have the coaster set on the triangular prisms that come with the machine, so I want to make sure I select that under the height raised, and then I just need to move and adjust the image accordingly. Under material, I selected 3mm basswood plywood. It's set to engrave, and it automatically puts the power setting to 50 and the speed to 140. Click process, that'll take you to a new screen, and then you can frame it to make sure it's placed properly on your material. And once that's complete, you can click framing complete, click start, press the button on the M1, and then the magic of the engraving starts. Hope you like the octopus coasters. They are so easy to make, and I love that you can use all kinds of images so easily with the xTool M1. And if you want more information about the xTool M1, I have a link down in the description below and you can check it out. But it's easy and anyone can do it. If you want to see other projects you can make with it, be sure to check it over here. Be sure to jump down in the description below, sign up, and I will send you an email letting you know when I have a new video up. Easy peasy. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I'll see you over there.